$275. We got the 305 with the crushed inside, the $500 job that cost me $1,500, and a 2-foot bucket. What does the day hold for us? Come with me. Let's go. Gonna meet Hammer and Carlito. So here's what we got. Overflow pipe malfunction. What do you think happened to this one, Carlito?
I don't know.
Take a guess. Say it just settled. I guess the 305 just started to regen. I didn't even know it did that. It's gonna rev its engine, blow its motor. Yeah, I think this thing just settled and went tits up, don't you, Cole?
Yep.
Push it down, let that water drain down. Don't be afraid of the snake.
There's a snake in here?
Yeah, just a little one, no big deal.
What the hell? I don't
Don't worry about it, it's not a big deal. I'm gonna let that thing regen. I'm gonna go get the skid loader. Good job, Cole. Look at this beautiful American day. That addition right there, I dug that. There was a huge maple tree in that. Huge, I mean huge. And I dug that with my, what was it? My E50 and then my old 289. And man, that, I don't remember how I did it, but dude, I dug that, and then I got down in there with the mini, dug underneath those roots, and somehow, I can't remember, I got that, I don't know if I ratcheted that root ball to my bucket or whatever, and I put it on my trailer and took it back to my house. And it's funny, that thing was, I hit it when I had the Fecon, and it just went into dust. That's how old it was. And then the person I'm doing the work for here too, when I was there, I did their driveway. That's back in the beginning. If there's a will, there's a way. A lot of you guys are messaging me, asking me how to, younger kids, I guess, wanting to get into business stuff, man. If you guys want to do it, just do it. I mean, I don't know that you get 2 shots at this. Just do whatever makes you happy. If there's a will or a way, just push forward. And now my competition's watching, don't take that advice. Cole's already got this thing unchained, he said. He's banging them chains early on this Monday morning. Damn, I can hear that Mini from here. Sounds like it's gonna blow up. Man, the stupid thoughts I had going through my head this weekend. I'm running through my head, man, I should sell that Mini and buy a 308. Don't stop. I need something, if I'm gonna do a few septics a year still, I need something that's a little bit bigger. I can dig that stuff out quicker, bigger reach. I don't know. It sounds like it's gonna throw a damn piston. What's the verdict? I know it works. Well, here's our plan of attack. We're letting this all drain out, which I knew we were gonna have to do that, let the water level. So this guy just don't like it. This whole dam settled. If you look through there, man, this whole thing settled. So what happened, this settled and pushed us up, which it was probably on an angle anyway, as steep as they got it. So what I'm gonna do, good thing it's not double wall, so it's easy. get that out, and I'm gonna build this back up flat so the pipe runs flat, and then we'll bend it down into the other one and snap it in and screw it, and then foam it and concrete it. She's flowing pretty good. So I sent Hammer and Carlito to go get the pipe, and I'm gonna go ahead and knock this pile of topsoil out. They wanted that bladed off. We'll get that done and then wait for them to get back while this drains down. So here's the game plan. We're gonna take the pipe there, pull it up. We got a 22, which I didn't know that the hardware store had those. 22 it and then just get it flat going through there. So I'm gonna dam that up. When we pull this up, we gotta put dirt in there, pack it. Got her dammed up, now pull her out. Yeah, go ahead. So save me a little bit of dirt down there to put back in here. I know it's topsoil, but that's what all this is anyway that I've dug out. What are you acting about?
Got a mouthful of dust.
Actually split about right here. The guts were split down there too. Give her the old Black Child America. Rocking in a free world. Hooked 'em condom style. Where's your horny Carlito at?
There, I don't want to get spilled.
Get down there and pull that thing by the ears, Carlito. Help him. Here, just get up on this side and pull it out. Just grab and pull it out. Is it still hooked? Or don't pull it up, you're unseating it.
Pull it that way?
Yeah.
Honey.
That laid in there real good.
Screws on ain't worth a shit without screws.
Keep preaching, baby, preach. There you go, use those good stainless ones. That elbow definitely helped, but man, this stuff's so flexible. You could almost just built that up and run her out. Hit her with the horny Carlito sauce. Everything actually worked out really good. Put a little water on that concrete. Walk with me. Got a little raised up there, let it settle down. You can't pack it on that single wall. That stuff will crush, but that's what it turned out like. These are the exact type jobs I love for a Monday, man. 4 hours in and out. You never know what you're gonna get into. Luckily, we got a good hardware store right up the road. But yeah, it could have turned into something worse. I had to dig it all, but whatever. But nice for Monday, in and out, and then recalculate for Tuesday. And like always, you've been with me, you've seen me. I love it. Keep commenting, keep doing what you do. Bangers for life. I forgot, this is one of the jobs my old buddy Poon did with me during the winter when he was laid off from one of his big construction companies. He'd always work me in the winter. He's no longer with us, but man, he was always a good time. You can count on him for a laugh, man. He made it fun. He would do whatever you told him, and if you put money to it, you damn right. I remember the one time he kept saying he was gonna do the toe or tongue of Satan or something. It was that hot chip, and he came to my house. He was all dressed up for Easter, man. He looked good. I said, yeah, I'll do it. We're all sitting around, and he was on the way to Easter. Dude, he took a piece of it, and oh, was puking, coughing, puked all over his shirt. He wouldn't say no to a good time, I'll tell you that. That was funny. I just remembered that. Me and him cleaned up the construction entrance to that there when my buddy got done building it. Have some good brothers, man.